again with another video, man. Second unboxing, man. It's your boy, man, LouKang. Alright? LouKangKickx, man. Don't y'all ever forget it, man. Hey, how y'all doing today, man? I'm feeling good today. You know, I got something good for y'all, man. As always, you already know. Like I said, man, second live unboxing. Got them early. You know, hey, I got a question for y'all, though, man. When I seen this box that came in from like StockX, this made me real nervous, man. Do y'all get boxes like this? All my sneakerheads out there, all my unboxers, do y'all ever get boxes that look like this and you be nervous when you get it though? Cause this is definitely making your boy nervous right here. Like, look at that, man. Woo, ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, well, we finna see what's up together. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna crack these things open, man. You already know we're gonna look at them. We're gonna talk about it, man. I'm gonna give y'all my honest opinion, man. And thank y'all for rocking with me, man. If y'all new to the channel, if y'all could do me one favor, man, as I always say, hit that button for your boy, all right? And, you know, if y'all feeling the content, man, hit that bell, all right? Keep me tapped in, man. Check me out, man, because, you know, I'll be having some heat for y'all, man. Let's get these things open. It's a shame, man. I got to start like this time, you know, because, woo, real nervous, but hopefully we good. Hopefully we win the game, though. Ooh. All right. Ooh, we got the extra tape today. This thing looked like it wasn't gonna make it through the mail, man. These took forever to come to me too. Like forever and a day, man. Like, all right, let's get them open though. Okay. Let's start with the box right here, man. Y'all know when y'all see these boxes what they are. You know what come in these boxes. Open, man. How is the box? How's the condition looking? StockX, what is going on with y'all, man? What happened? Did you go through a war, a storm, a desert or something? Boom. All right. Right there. There we go. Ooh. Another one. Okay. Another one. All right. I should give y'all a hint right there. Another one. All right. Retro3 Varsity Blues. Said. Another one, man. Hey, let's get these things out though, man. Let's see what we looking like. Let's see how we doing right here. Ooh, unboxing. Ooh, they smell good though. That's for sure. You know, I can smell these through the wrapper, man. I ain't had a pair in a minute where I could smell them through the wrapper like this. Ooh, ooh, they smell good. Woo, they hitting. Oh, look at them. They hitting, man. Look at these. Varsity Blue 3s. Alright? Release date October 10th, man. You know y'all want y'all up here. You know y'all got to go get them. You know, these is part of the must-have, man. This is a must-cop right here. Alright? You know we got the extra laces on them. Right there. You know, so we got our white laces. We got our blue laces. Right there. Ooh, these is gonna be hard, man. Ooh, these is about to be hard, man. You know I gotta give y'all the white lace look too. We gonna throw these white laces up in here, man, so we can check them out. All right. So let's get into this review, man. This is the first Jordan that ever came with an air bubble on it. If y'all didn't know, release years 1988. All right. So you know we got the elephant print on them right here, all around. Okay, it's like we got some real nice leather on these. Definitely high quality. Very high quality. Very, very nice. All right, on the bottom we got our traction on the sole. Okay, white midsole as always most of the time with the threes, man. You know how that usually goes. All right, here go a peek inside. Insole's blue. Okay, and what else, man? I mean, it's gonna be another classic colorway in the three, man. I don't think they ever dropped no varsity blue threes before in this colorway. You don't know, these is a must-have. Only thing I would have wished they did, man, is I wish they would have put the Nike Air on the back, because I just like when they do that. I just like when they put the Nike on the back, man, instead of the, instead of the Jumpman, man. But what a classic, man. What a classic, man. I'm not going to hold y'all, I'm not going to hold y'all today, man, but I did want y'all to see these things early. I got them early. All right. I'm going to give y'all this lace swap real quick, man, so y'all can see what these things is looking like, man. You already know. All right. Until next time, man, I appreciate each and every one of y'all, man. I'm out.